Divide 580 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 1. So, this 1 is less than 4. So, we put down this 8 and it is 18. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 2. So again this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 0 and it is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So 580 divided by 4 is 145. So this much for today and thanks for watching.